Hi everyone, now we're going to solve a question on CF and PI. So in previous video I told you how to find CF and I told you a list for it. In this video I have given you a list for it PI, and I know you guys already have had this list and all those stuff, but you can, if you don't have, you can still take the snapshot of it or just write down on your copy, which is better even than taking a snapshot. Okay, so let's see how we're going to solve the question. I told you earlier also that this part is known as CF and this part is known as PI. Let's just see how we're going to solve this thing. Okay, let's for CF first we'll put this thing as d square. So it will be d square y plus this thing as d. So it will be 3dy plus 2y. Okay, and one more thing which you guys can do here is you guys can, for x square, you can write that the very simple formula 1 plus cos 2x upon 2, 1 plus cos 2x on 2. Okay, we're just simplifying it. Now we're going to take y common, so it will be d square plus 3d plus 2 is equals to this 2, and this will cancel out this thing and this thing, so it will be 2 will multiply inside, so it will be 2 plus 2 cos 2x. Now what we are going to do is we are going to, for CF we are going to take this equation for CF just like we did in previous question, d square plus 3d. It's not the three-dimensional one, no, it's differentiation, or if 1 by then it is integration. Okay, anyways, and we are going to find the roots of it. You can use your scientific calculator, as I mentioned in all my videos. Using scientific calculator is best one I'm using right now, and my values is 1 and minus 2, which is non-repetitive. So from that list of formula we got CF. I hope you guys have the snapshot of it. C1 is equals to AX plus, if it's non-repetitive, C2 equals to C2 into e to the power bx. Okay, let's just write the values here. On writing the values, I got the C1 e to the power ax, which is 1 into this, a is this, b is this, plus C2 e to the power bx, which is minus 2x. I can also write this as minus x plus C2 e to the power minus 2x. So we have the value of CF. Okay, now we're going to see how we're going to find the main one, the PI one, the PI term. Let's see how we're going to find this PI term. So basically for finding PI, what we have to do is this equation, we have to take this equation in here, basically in the denominator. Let me change the color in denominator. So on doing so, what we are going to get is, I'm just taking that shit in denominator. So it will be 1 upon, that equation was d square plus 3d plus 2c. My yadash is very good. 2 plus 2 cos 2x. After solving this thing we can, and now what we can do is we are going to solve this in parts. We are going to do for first we're going to do for that one, and then we're going to do for that one. So let's just name it first part. For first part we're going to see how we're going to solve this thing. Okay, so the first part PI will be 2 upon 2 upon d square plus 3d plus 2. Okay, and do remember that whenever there will be a constant, we are going to put e to the power 0. We are going to put e to the power 0 x, because e to the power 0 equals to 1. So we're going to put this thing in order to solve the question. And now let's see the list. In list it is given that whenever there will be e to the power ax, d will be equals to a. Let's just follow this simple thing. Here d will equals to 0. When d will be equals to 0, we are going to get 2 upon this is 0, this is 0 upon 2. Yeah, 2 upon 2, which is equals to 1. So the answer of first part is 1. As you can see guys, it's very simple. If you solve this by step, nothing really is in it. Now let's see the second part. Second part is this upon this. Okay, this upon this. Second part is 2 cos 2x upon the equation, which is d square plus 3d plus 2. Okay, okay, let's see what we're going to do in the case of sine cos. In case of sine cos, we are going to put d square equals to minus a square. D square equals to minus a square. Okay, here we're going to put d square equals to minus a, which is 2, minus a square, that means 2 into 2 4. We're going to put that thing. So just put the value of d square here. Just putting the value, only you have to see or learn that or understand that chart basically, man. Nothing is in it. 2x plus putting the value minus 4 here plus 3d plus 2. Now let's see how we're going to just simplify it, and we're going to simplify it to the best way possible. It will be 3d minus 2. Okay, now let me see how can we simplify this even more. For simplifying this even more, what we're going to do is we are going to multiply this thing with 3d plus 2 upon 3d plus 2. Yeah, we're going to do that. Let me just do that thing one more time. It will be 3d plus 2. Again, it's not three-dimensional, it's differentiation basically. 2 cos 2x, and a minus b plus a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. Same old formula. It will be a square minus b square, which will be 4. Which will be 4. Now what we can do here is we can again use the same list. One more time we can use that for this one, d square equals to minus a. So here the d square, again the d square term is there, so we can use one more time the value of d square, which is minus 4. So using that, we're going to get 3d plus 2. From here only the basic mathematics remains, nothing conceptual. Putting the value minus 4, we are going to get minus 36 minus 4. Okay, so let me just solve this thing. 3d plus 2 into 2 cos 2x upon minus 40. Minus 40. Let's just see how that the solution is. That just we are just solving this thing now. Nothing much is remained. Okay, let's see what we're going to do next. What can we do next is yeah, we're going to multiply this thing, man. Multiply this with this and this with this. On multiplying, what we're going to get is 3 into 2 6d cos 2x plus 4 cos 2x upon minus of 40. Minus of 40. And yeah, man, mostly the what this is just a simple simplification. What we can do is just take the 2 common here. I'm going to solve a little bit faster now. Taking 2 common, what we're going to get is dividing 3d cos 2x plus 2 cos 2x upon, here it will be 20 because doing so it will remain 20. Okay, now let's see what we can do more. It's 20, and what we can do more here is 20. Oh yeah, for D it's differentiation. So we're going to differentiate this thing. I D equals to D by dx. Okay, we're going to differentiate this thing, so it will be 3. Let's just 6. 2 will come out, and it will be sine 2x plus 2 cos 2x, and this denominator thing will remain the same, which is 20, sorry. And by doing so, we get, again we can take two things. Just simply I'm solving this thing. The better, the most you can solve, matlab, you have to solve this to the best way possible, the deepest way possible. I'm just trying to simplify this as much as I can, and you guys can also simplify this in your way if you guys know some other thing, and do let me know if there is another way, the best way to do that, basically. So here it will be 10, yeah, minus 10. Let me see if I had some mistake or something. No, there is no mistake, I guess. Yeah, there was one mistake. Yeah, that was, we are going to put the bracket here, you know, that bracket thing, and we're going to leave this thing here only, but let me just multiply this minus sign into this, so it will look like cos. Yeah, cos will be in minus, so it will look like 3 sine 2x minus cos 2x upon 10. Yeah, that is it. I'm not going to simplify this more, because it just going, we can also do for cos 2x and all those sign, that there is no limit we can simplify this thing. Okay, it's up to you how how much you want to simplify it, but I'm going to leave this here. This is our pi, and the general solution equals to cf plus pi. So you should never forget to write the general solution. It will give you full marks when you write this thing. So let me just write this general solution. You can denote this as y also, equals to cf plus pi. Put the value of cf here, which is c1 e to the power minus x, plus value of pi, which is, let me change color for pi, value of pi, which will be, we just had the value of pi, which is 3 sine 2x minus 10, 1 by 10 cos 2x. That is it. That is our answer. Nothing much. Thank you so much for watching, and do share this with your friends who want to learn this concept, and thank you.